Okay, getting ready to start this truck. Hey, I forgot real quick. The guy that had it told me he changed, and I don't know why exactly, but on the truck, for security reasons, he's got it set up so that you put the truck in neutral start. So like right now, it's in park. There's just nothing there, you know, and it's set up that way on purpose for whatever reason. He thought that would be cool, I guess, but not a big deal. But so he just put the truck into neutral. So I'm gonna put it, oh, gotta get the key in. I'll put it neutral, and here we go. And I'm gonna go outside and we'll listen to it running. Hopefully you can hear it all right. Sounds normal, sounds good, sounds strong. You can hear the supercharger whirring. Fast truck. All right, I'll send this to you in a bit.